Gesto, Goa's leading culinary and hospitality academy. With a team of expert faculty and state-of-the-art infrastructure, Gesto offers specially designed training programs to equip you with skills to meet international hospitality standards. Get trained with top experts from the industry. For an assured job placement in international cruise lines and hotels, get on board today. Gesto at Pororim and Margaon. Log on to www.gesto.in.
And now welcome to Gesto's Chef Kitchen.
आम्ही खूप तरेच्यो डिशीज पळयल्यो पण आयज आमी पळयतले मॉकटेल. आयज आमच्या बरोबर आसा शेफ प्रसाद. तो आमकां दाखयतलो कसली कशी मॉकटेल्स आसा. हाय.
Yeah, welcome to Gesto Academy. Yeah. Actually, what I feel personally that a lot of people think that okay, if I have a Coke and I have orange juice, then what they do, they just go and ask people who are their guests that okay, what would you like to prefer, Coke or orange juice? And simply they pour it and serve it. But now something interesting which can also be made out of it. So what I've suggested, it's very simple. Now I have a mixing glass. Then what I can do that I can just take 30 ml of your orange juice, which is easily available. Maybe I can take a 30 ml. Okay. And then I can go for a little bit of lime juice, which is also can give a lot of citrusy and maybe tangy taste out of it. So it's a very, very simple combination, some orange juice and some lime juice. Now what I'm going to do that I'll take some ice cubes with me in my shaker and I'll straight away transfer this into my shaker. This is my second part of shaker. So it's very easy. So what I can do, I'll put it in my shaker. Now the most important thing, it's a kind of traditional mocktail, so we can go with the traditional highball glass. In highball glass, I'll again fill up with ice.
So it's going to be a very chilling mocktail.
Yeah. So maybe more of ice is required over here. And what I can do that simply, orange slice is there with me. I'll just add a orange slice inside so you can see also. Okay. So similarly, it's very important. And then just a small tap for it. And let them mix. Actually, that is the most important thing because both having the acid, so let them mix together properly. Come it out and now the most important thing that what exactly can go inside. So maybe I have a Coke or maybe Pepsi you can use and you can directly. Option is of course there. So now you have to be very careful that how you're pouring. Very smoothly you have to pour, so you can expect the color out of it. The color is very important. So maybe a little bit of color is there. In case you require more ice, you can definitely go for it. Some sort of ice, and you can see the color of the cocktail. It's very simple, and this is a simple thing what you can offer to a guest. With it's very very light and very refreshing and very simple. That is the most important part of this. So this is the one. This is known as a muddy puddle. Now, yeah, muddy puddle. Now it's a pond, like just monsoon has stopped, and you can just go to a small pond and just do something vigorous action.
Okay.
So you can see a light mud which has come out. So that is the inspiration actually for this cocktail. Yeah.
It's very simple and it looks also nice. Should we taste it?
Yeah.
Avinash, before you can taste it, I will taste it.
Sure.
So here I go. Nice. Lime, orange and Coke. Limbacho taste style, and I think this would be a best option to serve your guests.
Absolutely, like you can go with this and definitely your guests will be delighted.
So what is next on the
Maybe I have shown some citrusy thing to you.
Yes.
Now I would like to go for some apple.
Okay.
Or maybe a lot of apple as per your taste. So very unique and interesting. Now what will happen over here that normally what we talk that whether we want to go for a garnish of any cocktail, normally we think only about fruit. But now here we have to think something different beyond the fruit.
Yeah.
So what it could be? Now I'm simply using the sugar over here. But before that what I will do that I'll take a wine glass and I'll just take a wedge of lime and I'll make sure that evenly I can apply it, okay, and then I can use a sugar. So I have a castor sugar which is a super fine sugar. So simply I just have to put it over here. Now what will happen that this sugar will have a little bit citrusy taste of lime as well as it's a sweet. So it's a unique kind of combination, and this is a frosted rim which is getting created over here, which is a garnish itself for a cocktail. Yeah. So that would be the important thing. Now what I will do, I'll keep my glass over here. So let's start for the cocktail. So it's also a simple ingredient. What I can do that just take some lime juice just to give some tanginess, maybe around 10 ml of lime juice would be fine for that, and then we can go for a apple juice. So apple juice would be around 90 ml. So I'll take apple juice 90 ml. Okay, so one full and one half I have taken, so it's a 60 ml. So this is now looking very nice, color has come. Now the same thing we will do, my friend is there with me, my shaker. So I'll just take something and simply we have to add this into it. Now the other part of this comes directly, okay. So now what will happen that it's a unique thing for a bartender to shake. So now I'll just shake it. Little bit vigorous thing is required, so you can see that the shaker is getting cold. So now it's a time actually to go and pour this into it. Yeah. So now simply what I can do that similar process, the same glass, very carefully you have to go about it. So that's it. Now what can happen over here? Now maybe this is looking something really very ordinary. Yeah. So I have to adorn something with it. So what I can do, I have a special ingredient over here which is known as a grenadine syrup. This is made up of pomegranate seeds. Yeah. So it's a unique thing. Now what is interesting about this ingredient, I really love it, that the density of it. It has a great volume. So what it happens that it directly goes at the bottom of the glass. So you can get a nice look. So here I need a very little grenadine syrup, so I can do just add little bit. Okay, only this much, and it gives a contrast to it, to your mocktail, and a lot of bartenders are actually using this. The very famous cocktails like tequila sunrise or tequila sunset, this is the most important ingredient in it. Okay, so this is your ready-made thing. You can definitely go ahead and drink this.
The red layer, I am in love with this layer, and the castor sugar. Wow. I'll taste this first. Very nice. It's bit sour, bit sweet.
Yeah. The sourness is more inside in the liquid, so that's the reason why the sugar is added in.
Okay, and the good combination of lime and apple, and it tastes awesome.
लायक मागीर मातसो चड कमी आसल्यार सुद्दां काय प्रॉब्लम दिसता पण इट्स गुड.
It's really nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Again, all the ingredients which are easily available at home, except of that syrup.
The syrup is easily available in supermarket. You can go as an optional thing, but as far as the color contrast is concerned, definitely you can go above.
एकदम सिंपल अशी हे मॉकटेल आसा, तुम्ही घरा कडेन ट्राय करून पळयात.
So this was yet another journey in search of good food and just good food.
तुमच्या एरियेत असे जर काय फूड जॉयंट्स दिसतात आणि तांची कितें स्पेशालिटी आसात जाल्यार आमकां कळोवपाक विसरो नाका.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
नाजाल्यार तुम्ही आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतात 9011043343 or 92. For now, bye bye.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
And don't forget to watch our next episode at the same day and same time. Till then,
Keep watching Prudent Media.
bye bye.
खावपाक कोण जाय आं?
आपण तुझे वाक्य पयली.
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.